The Raptors' chances just keep fading away as LeBron's had so many of those in Game 2. 7 such shots, tied for the most by a player in a regular season or playoff game over the last 15 seasons. The last player to hit 7 fadeaway shots in a game was Klay Thompson. That was also in the postseason, but it was back in 2015. And his fadeaways from last night got us thinking of some other notable moves in the postseason. Let's show them to you, shall we? How about Russell Westbrook and his pull-up jumpers? Saw those earlier in the postseason, didn't work well, but he made 9 pull-ups in the Thunder's comeback against the Jazz in Game 5 of the first round, most by any player in the last 10 postseasons. How about step backs? Who do you think of?
Harden.
Of course. He went 6 for 6 on step back shots against the Dubs in Game 4 of the 2015 Western Conference Finals, tied for the most makes by anyone in the last 15 postseasons. Harden dropped 45 points in that Rockets win. LeBron, not the only one with a fadeaway. There he is. Dirk showed that he had it in 2014, 5 of 6 on fadeaways in a win over the Spurs, his most makes in a game in the last 15 postseasons. And speaking of fadeaways, come on, man, Kobe, Black Mamba, 2010. Kobe made all 4 fadeaways he took in a series-clinching win over the Jazz that was tied for his most fadeaways made in a game over the last 15 postseasons. And of course, the second most famous Duncan here on SportsCenter today, Tim Duncan, a fan of the bank shot. Game 2, 07 conference semis versus the Suns, he made 9. The most bank shots made by anyone in a game in the last 15 seasons, regular or playoffs. And Shaq closes us out with the dunks. He made 9 in the Game 1 of the 2001 Finals against the Sixers, and that is still tied for the most dunks in a game by any player in the last 20 postseasons with himself.